Hey guys, it's your girl Happy Gold, and today we're back with another video, and the video is gonna be like about making Nigerian fried rice the easiest way. I'm not making it like the difficult way, so why don't you guys just come with me? So I'm gonna show you like the ingredients I'm using. I'm not using a lot, and I'm gonna be using slightly different things from Africa fried rice. So instead of liver, I'm using like the sausage wurst. So because my fiance doesn't like the liver meat, so I'm using this instead. So I have here my rice, onions. I'm gonna be using the green beans. I'm gonna be using also the smaller beans like this. I'm gonna be using some frozen carrots. Yeah, the vegetables I'm using are all frozen. So, and I'm gonna use me some paprikas also, bell peppers. Yes, like a curry powder for the rice to make it a little bit, to give it like a little bit of color. So I'm gonna add like I just added water to the rice. So it's better like this, guys. I just added like water to the rice, and I'm gonna start boiling the rice. So mind you guys, I had like salt and a little bit of stock cube to it, to the rice, to give it like more flavor, so the rice can have like a little bit flavor of its own. See guys, even I'm gonna wash the rice later though. Yeah, I use some the pink salt, so I'm gonna be using like a little bit. I'm gonna wash it, it's just for like the extra flavor. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting my vegetables. So I finished slicing the green beans already. This is my, what do they call it in English? I don't know. So guys, I'm gonna start slicing my carrots. is done. Our carrot is done. Guys, it's time to wash the rice. As you can see, our rice is like fully cooked. Like, it's still a little bit hard, so we're just gonna like wash it now. We are just gonna let it like stay there and drain a bit. Now we're gonna start frying our vegetables. I'm just gonna add like the oil. It wasn't that good. So I'm gonna add like our onions. I'm adding a little bit of salt for the taste. I'm going to add the carrots. I'm going to add the green beans now. I'm going to let it fry a bit. So let's stay like this for like 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add like the other green beans. Now I'm going to add the paprika, the red bell, the bell pepper. Let's not forget our sausage. I'm going to add like the curry powder. gonna have salt. I'm gonna have like my stock cube. We're gonna let it dry a bit. It's still wet, so we're gonna really let it dry. Otherwise the rice is gonna be too, how would I say it? Too watery. So guys, it's dry now. We're gonna have our rice. So guys, as you can see, the rice is like not too soft. It's just like perfect like this. And we're just gonna like keep stirring. Sometimes I notice if I cook the rice too soft, the fried rice cannot stay for like 2 days, cannot stay for more than 2 days. And I like to make my fried rice like in a lot of quantity so I can eat for like a day of three, and not like keep making it like 2 times a week. So like this is okay. You can see it's a lot. My fiance like to eat fried rice as well. So, and it's also a lot of vegetables. Like this is healthy. I don't like fried rice with scanty vegetables. Like it has to be like when you're eating rice and vegetables, it has to be like a lot of it. So like this, guys. I'm gonna put my pepper now because my boyfriend, like my fiance is white and he doesn't like to eat a lot of pepper. So I have to make sure like the food I make, in order for him to be able to eat it, there's not too much pepper in it. So now I know the amount of pepper I'm putting. That's like grounded red chili pepper. So I'm just gonna do like this. So it's not too much, so I know what I'm putting in. Because when it's too much, he won't enjoy the food and he will not be able to eat a lot of it. So now I'm just gonna like stir a bit. That's how I like it. So we're gonna see if it's a lot, if the salt and the seasoning is enough. Perfect, guys. So we're gonna let it like. So guys, that's how you make your fried rice. And now I'm just gonna like clean up the kitchen, and I'll show you guys when I serve it later. And that is the outcome of my rice. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below what you think about it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.